There's a scene almost everyone can picture. A grandmother reaching not for a pill bottle but for a jar of dried leaves, spooning them into a pot, and pouring hot water over the top. Steam rises, the kitchen fills with a soft green scent, and a warm cup is pressed into your hands. For countless generations, before shelves of packaged drinks existed, a simple herbal tea was the everyday comfort of homes around the world. Today, let us gently revisit some of the humble garden herbs that grandmothers loved to steep, and the warm traditions around them. Mint may be the most beloved kitchen garden herb of all. Peppermint and spearmint grew wild and eager along garden edges across Europe, North Africa, and the Middle East. A handful of leaves and hot water made a bright, cooling cup that families sipped after meals for its clean, refreshing feel. In Morocco, sweet mint tea became a whole ritual of hospitality, poured from high above the glass in a graceful arc. Simple to grow and hard to kill, mint was the friendly, familiar face of the grandmother's tea shelf. Then there was chamomile, those tiny daisy-like flowers that grandmothers dried and saved for the end of the day. A cup of chamomile tea, pale gold and softly apple-scented, was the classic evening drink across much of Europe, sipped slowly as the house grew quiet. Its gentle, soothing reputation made it the traditional companion of bedtime and rest. Lime blossom, or linden, played a similar cozy role in France and Central Europe, gathered from the trees in early summer and brewed on cool nights as a calming, fragrant cup. Grandmothers rarely stopped at just one or two herbs. Many kept a whole fragrant collection gathered from the garden and the hedgerow. Lemon balm brought a bright, citrusy lift. Fennel and anise seeds made a sweet, comforting after-dinner sip in Mediterranean homes. Rose hips and dried berries brewed into tart, ruby-colored cups in the cold countries. Nettle and other wild greens, carefully gathered in spring, became earthy tonics that marked the turning of the seasons. Each region had its own little pharmacy, growing quietly by the back door. Perhaps the real magic was never in any single leaf, but in the ritual around it. Brewing a pot of tea meant pausing, warming your hands, and often sharing the moment with someone you loved. That gentle habit of stopping to sip something warm has real value that our hurried days often forget. You can borrow it easily, growing a little mint on a windowsill or keeping a jar of dried chamomile nearby. Just remember that herbs affect everyone differently, so if you take medicines or have health concerns, do check with a professional first. Today we lifted the lid on the grandmother's tea shelf, from the bright, familiar mint sipped after meals, to the soft gold of chamomile and linden at the end of the day, to the lemon balm, fennel, rose hips, and wild greens gathered from garden and hedgerow. More than any single herb, we found the quiet ritual of pausing over a warm cup. Here at HappyMind Nutrition, we love keeping these gentle, time-tested traditions alive. If a warm cup and a calm story suit you, please subscribe and steep the next one with us. Thank you for sitting a while.